As you see guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Today Bitcoin give us here an indecision candle or a doji. That meant there is no clear direction here. No power to push more higher. Now we need to wait. Also, we told you last Friday, like today, we told you the top 111k, and we are not going to break that zone here. Look at it, guys. We close at 107k. Now let's see at the weekend what that market going to do, because there is very important thing here. Now we got an inside bar, guys. Here, the one as you see it here. If we break in the lower of it here, we're going to dump, and the Bitcoin going to give us like that low, high, low, another low. Lower than the previous one. That possible. Second scenario, what is it? The Bitcoin to come to break for us the top here, and we're going to see the Bitcoin pumping more higher than that. By the way, guys, before counting it, I want that video to reach to 100 likes. Yesterday, I haven't asked you to see if you are going to smash the like button, and majority of you, they haven't smashed it. So please, my friend, if you haven't smashed that like button, please now smash the like button. Support us, guys. We need that channel to growing up, please. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Because today we haven't entered in Bitcoin, guys. We enter in the Sol as you see it here. It's giving us more than 20% short as we enter in it. And that the earnings of other members here. So even you can make in that, my friend. Yes, even you can make it like that. And to earn profit with us every day. Even if the market is dead like that. Even you can earn profit with us. So if you are interested and you want to make money like professional people, no matter what is it, when trend is came, guys, that 20% you see in here is going to be 200 till 300%. You want to make money? The link of our Patreon is it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. You see that one here where I put that square C member option. You click at it like that. It's going to open for you the member option we got. If you see that VIP cryptocurrency, so you are lucky, my friend. You are not applicable to you, the tax sales or VAT. Choose that VIP cryptocurrency. If you haven't seen it and you see only that two here, choose one of them, click at join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can text me here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links are down and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, Bitcoin give us here now an inside bar, as you see, that green candle here, and the 2 days, and also we are inside the range of that candle here. Now there is one of two. If we're breaking above, that's when we're going to break that down channel as we have here, and we're going to pump more higher. Second scenario, if it's breaking down here, Bitcoin going to fall down and to give us another low, because also we are now in a down channel, guys, as you see it. That one here is a down channel, very clear. We touch the top of it. Maybe the Bitcoin going to fall down to touch the lower of that down channel, even though when it's possible. Here in daily, that the only things we have, guys, and also we need to focus about here in daily about that. If the Bitcoin dump from that zone where we are and hasn't breaking for us the last high here, is very bad, guys, and it's going to give us here like that a triple top, and that is a very bad sign if we do it like that. Man, if the Bitcoin hasn't pushed from that zone where we are and breaking for us that 111k, we go to dump, guys. So you need to be careful. Today we're going to show you the Bitcoin option levels, so make sure to watch the video till the end without skipping, my friend. We got something else here in daily. Let me show it to you. Here in daily, guys, the Bitcoin is still looking good. We're still above all those moving averages here. Let's see now if it's going to break here. If that happens, we're going to pump. Also, we still have a long swing trading. We're still aiming for the Bitcoin to go more higher. That's possible, guys. The problem of the Bitcoin those days, there is no volume. Let's see if the volume going to come back in the coming days. That the only things I can tell you. Those days, there is no volume. And the market still look very flat. We got a very stronger zone here. Let's see how it's going to react to it if the market can't dump there, because if we don't have the volume, that means Bitcoin is too expensive now, and the investors, they see it very expensive, and that's going to indicate in the market to dump. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin options and the levels. Also, we need to look at them. Let me show you those things. Here we are, guys. The last week we set that two levels here, 92k and 111k. The Bitcoin fell down till 98k that week, then it pumped again till 107k, and we haven't broken above or down here. That's very good news. Now it's going to get even for that week to see the levels. Also, we need to look close at them for that week. Here we are, guys. That's the page where we're getting those levels. As you see, the coming week is going to be at 4 of 7, or the coming Friday is going to be at month 7, 4 of it, or the 4th of it. Now let's try to find in the levels here. Here we are, guys. We found the first level here, 101k. The number of pots here, 35 Bitcoin. The total volume here, $3.81 million. The number of calls, 0. As you see it, guys, that the first level of us, 101k. Now let's find in the level for calls. So let's go in there. The level of calls, guys, as you see it here, we found it here at 113k. The number of pods, 0. The number of calls here, $182 million. The total volume here, $19 million, guys. So that one, the first level here. Now let's go into the chart to draw in the two levels. We said 101k and 113k. Let's go into the chart to draw them together. Here we are, guys. We set the top level like that. It's going to be 113k like that, and the lower level like that. We said 101k like that. So those was the levels, guys. As you see, they make it very tight more. So the view of those people, the Bitcoin, it will not fall down to break lower here, like how may I show you. That's very good news. But for above, it will not go on to break for us 113k. So what the view of them? Another week sideways here. That based on Bitcoin option, guys. Based on Bitcoin option, the Bitcoin is going to spend another sideways week here. As you see it, guys. So if you're running a great bot, my friend, 101 and 113, those was the levels you need to focus at them. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Bitcoin here, it showed to us maybe it's going to fall down to test those moving averages here. Let's wait and see, because as me I just show you in Bitcoin option, Bitcoin is going to spend another week sideways here. That's when we are not going to go to nowhere. So if you want to make money, my friend, welcome to the family. If you are interested, of course, the link is down in the description of the video and in the first comment. If you want to keep struggling, that's up to you, my friend. Now here, what is it? The view, we got a very stronger zone here based on volume profile, but the levels also show you every day. Let me show it to you. Those ones, the levels, guys. We got that level here of 106,990. We got that level here 111,959, and we got that level here 102,603. Those ones, the three levels for all the week, guys. Focus on them, write them in your chart, and be playing with them. Those was the levels for all the week in the Bitcoin. But the only things I can tell you now is going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Bitcoin is touch for us here, that very stronger zone here. Now let's see what's going to happen. Either Bitcoin here to give us here a price action indicating maybe the market is going to down, but it will not be today, guys, or that week till Friday. We're going to stay here in that zone where we are. All the week sideways, guys. Remember that all the week the Bitcoin is going to spend it sideways here. If you want to make money, we told you what to do. Also, we're going for other cryptocurrencies, not only Bitcoin. There is million cryptocurrencies. If you want to join us, if you want to stay waiting the Bitcoin till it move, up to you, my friend. Also, we will not force you to join us. Now, what is it, the view? There is one of two. Either from here, we're going to dump again to down here. At number one scenario. Second scenario is going to break here, and it's going to climb more higher, but with low volume like that. Even that one, it's possible, guys. So we are ready for all scenarios. We got something else here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Let me show it to you. Here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys, the Bitcoin is breaking for us that 20 moving average. It's indicating maybe we're going to fall down to test that 200 moving average down here. And we're going to spend all the week sideways like that, guys. There is no real move in that Bitcoin all the week. Look at those candles here in 4 hours, what they're telling you. Very clear sideways zone. So Bitcoin, it's not going to nowhere, guys. If you want to play with it, welcome. If you want to keep struggling, that's up to you, my friend. Now let's see our indicator we're saying today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, as you see, it's staying here in a zone where the bulls they're controlling. Now it's going back to test that middle here. Then from here, we're going to see if we are going to pump again. That's possible, guys. Second scenario is going to break it and it's going to enter to a bear market. Even that one is possible. Now also we are waiting it here in that wall when it's going to touch it, that one in the middle. How it's going to react to it, the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin now is going to make a smaller correction, going to touch the 200 moving average in 4 hours, but all the week sideways, guys. I think I explained everything. Now it's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum, guys. The Ethereum here give us here a small head and shoulder here, guys. That one here is a small head and shoulder. I can even show it to you, but before we reach in there, also we touch here that very stronger zone here, that one. We showed it to you before, and now it's showing to us as if it's going to dump from here, because now it's giving us here like that, guys. Let me zoom it a little bit to show you those things what I'm talking about. You see it here. That one here is a head and shoulder in smaller time frames. Look at it here. That one is a head and shoulder here. If it's breaking here, we're going to see the Ethereum dumping, but not that much, because as I just showed you, also we're going to spend all the week sideways. Then also we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days or coming hours. May I show you before what I told you here about the Ethereum. I came and do it like that, and I told you, look at it. It's breaking here. It's breaking the downtrend here. Now the view, the Ethereum going to do like that, guys. Going to fall down to test here. Then after that, it's going to make like that an uptrend, guys. Also, we're still in an uptrend in the Ethereum. There is nothing changed. Also, we're still playing with it till the right time. Let me show you something very important here in the Ethereum, guys, in daily. Let me show it to you. Here in the Ethereum in daily, guys, as you see it touched that very stronger zone here. Now it's showing to us as if a consolidation zone here. Now let's see if the Ethereum from here going to came back to test that 100 moving average. That possible. Second scenario is going to break here, and we're going to see the Ethereum pumping again. Even that one it's possible. So no matter how long as we stay below the 200 moving average, things it's look bad for Ethereum. Now the only things we can do, that uptrend here. I'm talking here about daily, guys. That uptrend here and wait it to be broke, but it's need to break for you. That's 100 moving average. If that happen, the Ethereum is going to fall down to 1,830. That if it's going to happen. Second scenario, if it's breaking above here, the 200 moving average, we are going back to $4,000, guys. I think I explained everything. Now it's going to see our indicator where it's in today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, as you see, it's enter here to the zone where there is no one is controlling now. That's what me I told you. Also, we are in a consolidation zone. We need volume, guys. Without volume, that market is going to spend like that day. So also, we still wait until the volume enter again. Now it's going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Sol, guys. The Sol yesterday also we entered a short based on the break here. It came back till above here. We add to it. Now we take some of the profit from it. That's what also we're doing every time, because the Sol it's showing to us it's going to dump from here. Now we got here a very stronger zone here in 4 hours, guys. Let me show it to you. That one here is a very stronger zone. Let's see if the Sol going to give us like that, like a big cup and handle like that, and to fall down and to break more lower here. Even that one is possible, guys, like that. That possible. Second scenario, even that one still active, guys. That downtrend, that one to be broke here, and we're going to see the Sol pumping from here more higher like that. Even that one it's possible, guys. So also we are ready for all scenarios. We are waiting which direction that Sol going to take. We got something else here in the Sol in daily. Let me show it to you. Here in daily, guys, the 20 moving average, he crossing below the 100 moving average. That very bad sign, guys, for the Sol. Look at it when it's breaking here. What happened? Same thing, guys. It's breaking here. What that telling us? It's telling us maybe the Sol from here going to dump. That possible. Second scenario, let's see if the Sol going to come back to test that 100 moving average. Even that one it's possible, because also we still have here that down channel like that. Also we show you before that one. But the Sol, guys, look at it here. It's breaking that head and shoulder. Also we show you before in daily. That one here is getting broke here. Also we wait in the correction and we enter. Now also we are in profit, and we will let it to run if it's going to dump to that $94 or no. So also we still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Sol. Our indicator, guys, as you see it in the Sol, is it here in that zone where there is no one is controlling. That means the Sol now is it in a consolidation zone or sideways zone or flat zone or name it whatever you want. That means there is no volume to push more up or down. So also we still waiting to see what's going to happen in the coming days. Now it's going to see the XRP or Ripple we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the XRP, guys. The XRP here, it shows us a very nice trend there. Let's see now if it's going to come to break for us the downtrend here. That's possible, guys. What we got else? We got that one here, as you see it here. We're still waiting it if it's going to pump like that. Let me zoom it a little bit to show you those things what I'm talking about. As you see, guys, here in the XRP, we got now that downtrend like that, the one. If we break it here, we're going to see the XRP pumping more higher. That number one scenario. The second scenario, what is it, guys? Second scenario, that for short, not uptrend like that. You waited to be broke here. Like that for you to catch a short. You can make even another thing here in the XRP, which is that one here. It's going to give you like that, guys, like a big cup and handle here like that. If that happen, we're going to see the XRP pumping more higher. Not possible, guys. That for long, for short, same thing. You came to that low here, that one, and you're waiting if the XRP going to give you here a big double top like that, and it's going to fall down to break for you lower here. Even that one it's possible. So me I give you for long and for short. Now let's see the XRP what it's telling us here in daily, guys, because that is very, very, very important. Let's go in there to see it. Here in the XRP, guys, in daily, the XRP today, daily candle closed green here, but based on those moving averages here, everything it's looking bad. The only thing now, the XRP try to give you here like a small head and shoulder here, as you see it, guys. That one here, if it came a break in here, maybe the XRP going to come back to test that 200 moving average, and that's going to be very good for us, because you remember what me I told about the XRP like that. I came and show you that head and shoulder here in daily, like that, and when it's breaking here, I told you me I'm not going to enter a short. I'm going to wait the XRP to come to liquidate the stop losses above here. It's mean above the 200 moving average for me to catch a short from the 200 moving average, and that's what me I'm still waiting. The XRP me haven't entered in it any long. Even yes, I got some signs they're telling me maybe the XRP going to go more higher, but me I'm still waiting till the right time, guys. Which signs? That one here, you see it, guys? We are in the border of the downtrend. If it's getting broke, maybe the XRP going to pump. Now it's going to see our indicator what it's saying today here in the XRP. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, same thing. There is no power to push more up or down. So we're still stuck here. Let's wait the coming days what they are going to tell us. Now it's going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. The Bitcoin today, it's being very, very, very flat. It gives us here like that, like a small wage. We can make it from the tails of those candles like that, guys. We still playing here all the whole day. It came above, it fell down, it came above, it fell down. It make us very boring day here. Also, we giving the people they following us yesterday a short from here. They add to it from here. Now they still playing with it all the whole day sideways like that. There is no real move. Now let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days, because now the market, it's look like is it liquidity grabbing, guys, like that. But the bad news here, also we are in a small downtrend here, as you see it, guys. You see the downtrend here. Now what you can do for day trading, guys, I don't advise you to day trade those days. That's the only thing I can tell you for day trading. Exactly, those ones they make scalping, that's another story. Those ones they got 99%, they are going to lose. So guys, for day trading those days, please guys, listen to me. For day trading those days, there is no volatility and you're going to lose. That is up to you. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it stuck here, nowhere to go. So there is no clear volume. We couldn't enter to the bear market and even to the bull market. Look at it, guys. There is no real move. And also we still waiting till volatility came. As I'll show you in the Bitcoin option, all the week sideways, there is no real move. So we need to play with it how it is. If you want to make money and you are struggling and you're losing by day trading or scalping, you can join us. We're going to teach you new ways. If you want to keep losing, that's another story, my friend. Well, that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment, and if it's possible, share that video in any social media platform you like. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.